Hi guys! New day, new vlog. If you are planning a wedding, a milestone birthday, or a big corporate party, you probably have a massive checklist. Venue, catering, outfits, but there's one critical element that people always leave until the very last minute. Or worse, hindi na nila kinukuha. I am talking about a professional lights and sound. A lot of client asks me, do you really need a supplier for that? O baka naman pwede na yung in-house na nasa venue o kaya portable speaker. Today, I am breaking down exactly why a professional lights and sounds make or break your event and what you need to know if you've never hired a supplier before. Pag-usapan natin bakit isa ito sa non-negotiable for a successful event. Number 1, mood and vibe. Lights aren't just there so that people can see each other. They set the entire atmosphere. Vibrant moving lights transform the same room into a concert-level dance party when it's time to celebrate. So guys, let me show you this video. Versus this one. See the difference? Lighting setup really sets the mood for the event. Number 2, clarity. Imagine this, the celebrant or maybe the bride and groom o kaya yung CEO ng company nyo nag-i-speech o kaya merong huge milestone na gustong i-announce. Pero hindi nila naririnig kasi muffled yung sound. Professional sound techs and engineer ensure that every whisper, every beat, and every announcement is perfectly balanced and crystal clear. Kahit saan pa nakaupo yung guests mo. At the end of the day, you invest so much time and money into making your event look beautiful. Huwag mong hayaang masira ang event mo with poor lighting and bad sound. Investing in a professional crew is how you ensure your guests stay engaged, excited, and pag-usapan nila yung party mo for years to share. If you're planning an event soon and no idea where to start, simply message us here on our Facebook page. We'd love to help you bring your vision into life. See you on my next vlog. Bye!